In the era of digital transformation and AI, companies face a critical dilemma. For global enterprises to innovate and create valuable solutions, they need to collect and utilize vast data sets with trusted partners. However, in an increasingly complex landscape of data leaks, exchanging data through partnerships requires effective countermeasures. Existing infrastructures are not enough. Sharing information resources is risky, exposing all parties to potential security breaches and increased management costs. So how can companies build scalable solutions without compromising confidential data and algorithms for data utilization? Introducing our secure data collaboration solution, redefining the future of data processing. This revolutionary technology ensures end-to-end data sovereignty by encrypting inputs from multiple companies and transferring them to a secure, isolated environment. Information can only be processed as agreed, always maintaining the confidentiality of their algorithms and data. Our solution guarantees that all data and users are authenticated, blocking unwanted third-party access, including from the platform provider itself. Authorized users can then leverage the results of processing to drive innovation with protected and reliable insights. Here's an example of how our solution could be used in the future. Multiple hospitals could collaborate to train an AI model on existing patient data. Once trained, it would provide personalized diagnoses and treatments by analyzing encrypted data from other hospitals. While no one would be able to access the algorithm's processing or retain possession of confidential data, everyone would benefit from this secure collaboration, driving innovation in healthcare. From supply chain efficiency to green transformation to AI and circular economy, our new technology will accelerate multi-enterprise and cross-industry collaboration across all sectors with solutions such as data spaces, opening new horizons. Ready to revolutionize the future with secure data collaboration? As we develop this new technology, you can make it part of your business future today.